So what is popular about this one?
So this is Freak X, one of the iconic watch. So it doesn't have a hands, it doesn't have a dial.
Right.
So the entire moment is telling you the time. So if I wind it while.
So this is one of the most iconic and most exclusive watches of the world right now in India.
Yes, definitely. And in this watch only, they have used the silicon component, which is the moving over here. That wheel that's made from the silicon component. This is completely in-house.
And how much are they selling this for? What's the MRP?
45 lakhs for the gold ones.
Right.
For the titanium, it's for 39.
Which one is the titanium?
This is the titanium ones. This is limited production. Only 30 pieces made.
Only 30 pieces made. So
And
limited
after
produce,
that-
making it exclusive.
So the complete production of the brand is 7,500 only for
Per year.
the all watches
Per year.
per year
Right.
worldwide.
Worldwide.
So this is the lightest diver watch which is showing in the video.
Right.
It's only 52 grams. The
52
world's-
grams for a watch.
for a watch.
What's the dial size?
So it's 44.
For a 44 size, you're saying the weight is
2.0
52 grams. That's
Yes.
amazing.
And again the diver. So
It's a
divers
diver
are
watch.
the heavier watches. over
Heaviest
here.
watches apparently. Deep sea diver, man.
Yes.
It's such a bulky and such a big watch. Do you want?
If we talk about New Balance, so they are known for their innovations, known for their freestyles, known
Right.
for their no boundaries.
Hmm.
So they always invent something new. The material which they have used, the carbon
Hmm.
fiber which has been used,
Of course.
that's also patented by Wilsonara. No other brand can use that. It was used in the aircrafts and more the fighter
Yeah, carbon
jets.
fiber is used there. Yes.
Yes. So German aircraft which has been discarded, they had owned that and they had created the fabric. They had created the material.
So the material is from a German aircraft that is discarded now, of course.
And then they have modified that with few more of the alloys and they have created the bezel, which make it very lightweight.
Superb.
DLC which has been used. And if you see this watch, this is enameling and this is a guilloche enameling.
Wow.
Enameling is one of the
I'm aware I'm a
complicated
jeweler
stuff.
by profession. Enamel inlay, yes. It's
And if you see about
handcrafted.
the guilloche on a gold plate, the pattern has been drawn.
Oh wow.
After that, the
I can get
enameling has been
I
done.
can see the accents now. Yes. Superb. Cheers, man. It was very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.